जब भी टेलीविजन के सामने आते हैं या पब्लिक मीटिंग्स में जाते हैं और बार बार कहते हैं अबाउट द रॉ डील बीइंग गिवन टू तेलंगाना स्टेट ever since its formation in June 2014. Coincidentally, the BJP regained power at the just before Telangana's formation. Sir, I would like to know what are the reasons, sir? Sir, the omissions of any reference to the state plight at the hands of the central government raise questions. Has the state government deliberately chosen to ignore these issues in the governor's address to show courtesy to Her Excellency? Or has the Honorable Governor dropped certain portions of the text sent to her before the speech copies were printed and she read out the address? Or the reference to the central government high-handed attitude toward the state has been brushed aside after the Telangana Rashtra Samiti assumed the national avatar of Bharat Rashtra Samiti? क्या यह मजबूरियां हैं भारत राष्ट्र समिति बनने की?